Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to remove your taillight that's on your liftgate on your Honda Odyssey. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to have to remove this liftgate trim in order to get to the back side of the liftgate. We're going to start out by removing this center trim here closest to the vehicle, and to do that we're just going to take a hold of it with both hands, and you just want to squeeze it with both hands, and we're going to pull back on it. And when we do that, it just pops these clips loose from the body right here. And then we just need to remove these clips that were underneath the trim on both sides. Just use a flathead screwdriver and get up underneath that middle part right here. And once this middle part pops out, you can just go ahead and pull out on it, and the clip comes right out. And then we're just going to grab a hold of these side trim pieces, and same thing, just grab hold of them with both hands and pull out on them. And same with the other side. And same thing as before, we have clips underneath right there that we need to remove. And next we need to come to the end of the tailgate here, and we need to pop out this switch right here. And to do that, we're going to use a plastic pry tool. You can use a flathead screwdriver, but you're going to risk scratching and marring up the plastic really bad. So I like to use these plastic pry tools. You can get these really inexpensive off Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below where you can get these. But what we're going to do is we're going to take it and we're going to start on this side, about 3/4 of an inch from the edge. You're going to sneak it in between the switch here and the panel, and just going to press down and kind of wiggle it back and forth, and you'll feel it give. And then with one hand you want to keep pressure down on that, and then we're going to slide over about another inch and do the same thing. And when you do that, you pop these two clips here loose from the panel, and then we're just going to unplug it by pressing on. There's a tab right here. Just going to press on that tab and pull out on the plug, and then go around to the corner, and we're just going to get our hand up in behind this end right here, and then we're just going to pull down on it, and it just pops the clips loose. And we're just going to work our way kind of across the back and the front here, and just work our way across the side, pulling down on it, and it pops all the clips loose, and the trim comes right off. And when we're pulling this trim off, it's just popping these clips here loose from the vehicle. It's got holes that they clip into, and typically these clips will just come off with the panel and stay on the panel. Sometimes they will stay in the holes, and you just want to use either your plastic pry tool or a screwdriver and pry around them to work them out, and then take them out. And then you just want to slide them back into the trim before you put it back on, and it slides into that first layer, not the second one there. So they go in like that. But yeah, typically these are fine. They don't break them. Sometimes they'll fall off the car, so you might lose them. But if you do break them or lose them, you can get replacements of these also, and I'll link to these two down below. And the next thing we need to do is we're going to have to remove this molding here. Because they overlap the taillights, we can't really get the taillights off without taking this molding off. So we'll go around to the back side of the liftgate and we'll get this molding off. So now we're going to remove these two nuts right here using a 8mm socket. And then there's also another nut that's through this hole. just up from these other two we just took out, up through this hole here. And to get to it, we're going to have to use an extension to get up through there. Next, come around to either side of this molding right here, and we're going to take our plastic pry tool again, and we're going to get it underneath the very end right here. And you just want to get underneath the end. You don't want to pry too hard, but you want to get just where it's starting to bend out a little bit and get a little pressure on this molding. And it'll make more sense once I show you on the other side what we're doing. And here on the back side of the liftgate, if you look here behind the tail light, kind of past this plug, you'll see that red clip right there. What we need to do is we need to squeeze on it with the needle nose, and we're going to come in from the bottom, and you can see that this one tab is on one side, well there's one on the other. We just need to squeeze both those tabs, and that plastic pry tool that we put on the other side is going to keep pressure on that molding so that when we squeeze those, it'll pull the tabs through. Alright, so you can see it just gave, and my plastic pry tool kind of flew out and hit the floor, and that's exactly what we want. We want it to pop through, and then we're going to go ahead and reset that plastic pry tool. So now this very end is loose, so we're just going to take it and we're going to slide this plastic pry tool as far over as we can go until it stops, and this will maintain pressure right here, and then we'll go around to the other side and start popping those clips off. Alright, so now we're going to be prying on these clips here, or squeezing with pliers rather, and you might be able to see right there on top is a little tab. Well, yeah, each of one of these has a little tab on both sides of them, and so we're going to go ahead and start with the one that's farthest over here by our plastic pry tool, and we're going to squeeze those two tabs, and then come over here and squeeze this one. And typically all the tension's released now, so we have to go reset our plastic pry tool again before we can get this one. But this one just popped through, and basically we're just going to keep working our way down with these three, and then go over to the other side. It's a mirror image, do the same thing until we get back over to the very end and get this molding off. And now we're down to this last clip, this red one here on the end. So before we go ahead and get it with our needle nose, you want to reach one hand around and go ahead and grab a hold of your molding and just try to secure it, because as soon as this one lets go, then there's basically nothing holding your molding on. So you're going to want to make sure that you have one hand on it to make sure it doesn't hit the ground. And then once you feel that clip give, you want to go ahead and lower down your lift gate, and then use both hands to pull off your molding. And we're going to have some wires on the back side here that we're going to have to unplug. We'll start with this one here on the end. Just push this tab on the top and pull out on it. And Then we got this other one right here. Press on the tab with one hand, and then with your other, pull out on the plug, and then we just got to feed these wires around these little clips there. And then your molding's off. So from here, all we have left is either taillight. So depending on which one you need to remove, we'll go to the back side of the taillight. So on the back side here, first we're going to unplug the taillight by pushing on this tab here on this white plug and pulling out, and then same with this one here. There's a tab right here on the side. We're going to push that in and pull out on it. And then first we're going to remove this nut here, and then there's two others in those holes there we need to get out. And you're going to need an extension for this also. And then come around to the side of the taillight here, and there's a Phillips screw that needs to come out. And also this nut here on the end needs to come out. And again, that's using an 8mm socket. And you're going to get this trim pulled down far enough where we can get it slipped past this stud that's on the taillight. So we're going to put a little pressure on it and get it to slide past it. Alright, so we slid past it there. And in behind the trim here is this plug. We're then just going to pop it out using our plastic pry tool. And then up through that hole is one more 8mm nut. And then come back around to the outside of the taillight here, and we're going to place both hands on it, and then I'm going to place my thumb on the body of the car, and I'm going to kind of push off with my thumb while pulling on the side of the taillight here, because there's a clip right here that's holding it, and when we pull on it and I put pressure with my thumb, it's going to pop that clip out. And that's the clip right there that was holding it in last, but finally we have the taillight out. And that's it, guys. That's how you remove your taillight. Thanks for watching.